et tu, brute? No. Et tu, coal? What is the meaning of living? It's just live. I'm Kushani, a Japanese thinker, tasting the deep now. In my last video, I questioned the scientific dogma that petroleum is organic. Today, I must speak of its sibling in the fossil fuel family, coal. In Japanese, we write coal as stone carbon. Meanwhile, wood charcoal is wood carbon. Now, I ask you, do you think coal is organic or inorganic? The scientific answer is organic. But why? Why is a stone called organic? Originally, organic meant derived from living organisms. Today, science defined it as any compound where carbon and hydrogen bond. Yet, we still cling to the old ghost of the word, the belief that organic must come from life. So, coal is technically defined as organic simply because it is a compound of carbon and hydrogen. Yet, science still clings to the ancient ghost of the word, insisting it must be the remains of long-dead organisms. Dead organisms turned into coal? Truly? Consider the depths of a coal mine. They dig hundreds, even 1,000 meters deep. No matter how much soil accumulated over eons, ancient life existed at the surface, perhaps tens of meters deep at most. There is absolutely no life 1,000 meters underground. Yet, scholars claim that vast amounts of ancient life, ancient organisms, were sealed between rocks, pressurized, and somehow transformed into coal. A vast ocean of life, turning into stone in a place where life never existed. What an absurd hypothesis! Let's look at the nature of these two carbons. They look similar and chemically both release carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide when burned. But here is the critical difference. Coal spits out sulfur and nitrogen oxides, poisonous substances that wood charcoal never produces. And look at the ash. Wood ash is rich in calcium and magnesium. It is life-giving fertilizer for a farm. But coal ash? It is a cocktail of silica, alumina, and heavy metals. It is toxic. You must never scatter it on your fields. Wood charcoal is born from the cycle of the ecosystem. Coal is a mineral dog from the deep earth. Oil and coal are not fossil fuels made of dead creatures. They are mineral fuels. So, why does science cling to this biological origin story so desperately? At this point, I must lower my voice. This touches the great structures of global interest. There are oil-producing nations that find it convenient to call these fuels rare organic remains. There are international organizations holding power over carbon taxes and sustainable energy. If the common sense were overturned now, the structure of vested interests would begin to crack. It is a bitter thought. Can even science be bought with money? But even after hearing this, I know what you are thinking. The smart scientists say it's organic, so it must be fine. And that is okay. Believe what you wish. I'm not here to start a revolution. However, I want you to imagine one thing. The taste of chicken grilled over wood charcoal. You can smell that savory aroma, can't you? Now, imagine that same chicken grilled over coal. It would reek of rotten eggs, the stench of sulfur. Your body is honest. It knows the difference even if your brain is lied to. Coal, you are no brother to wood charcoal. You are a complete stranger. My nose tells me so. 合唱 The Buddha said, This world is a waking dream. Everything is just nothing. Take it easy. See you